You can do just about anything with your phone these days. And now you can purchase passes and ride PART using nothing more than your phone. We've partnered with TouchPass to offer simple mobile ticketing for all PART Express riders. By downloading the free TouchPass mobile app, you can buy your transit pass and pay for your ride without having to search for your paper pass, cash, or coins. Your smartphone uses a two-dimensional QR code, which you scan on the TouchPass reader when you board. When you board, use the TouchPass reader to scan your QR code. Make sure the QR code is lined up within the 4 hash marks on the video screen. And if you'd rather have a pass you can hold on to, TouchPass offers a Reloadable Smartcard. You can load your fare onto your smart card online or at PART's Coble Transportation Center. Make sure to register your card on the TouchPass website in case you lose or damage your card, so the value can be restored. Once you've got your pass loaded up, simply tap the card on the rubber square on the TouchPass reader, and you're on your way. More questions? Give us a call at 336-883-7278 or email contact us at partnc.org.